Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will complete the second challenge of this Superbadge Apex for Agentforce. Let's go to the challenge. In this challenge, we have to create an invocable Apex class to automate the process of gathering and storing the guest experience reviews. Let's do the challenge. We have an existing class named as guest review process that we have to modify. Just go to the org and we will open the developer console. Open the class. Okay, so in this class, we have already mentioned the comments like what we have to do. So here, this method we have to make it invocable. All these variables we have to make invocable, and this class as well we have to make invocable. Let's see how to do it. Let's check the requirement here. So in this existing class, we have to make the changes to this wrapper class. In this wrapper class, we have four variables that we have to make the invocable. I have already written the class. I will explain you how to make it invocable. So you go to this wrapper class, and we have to just provide this annotation invocable variable and make the field as required. Provide the label as given there. This one is the label, and description we can provide any. Similarly, we have to make all the variables as invocable and provide the suitable description. Next, we have another wrapper class that we have to make invocable as well. Guest review response. Let's see this code. So this class only having one variable that we have to make it invocable. Label we have to provide a status. Description we can provide any. Okay, so this is done. Now, next, we have to make this method as invocable. So we have to provide this label and we can provide any appropriate description to this method. Let's see here. Okay, so for method, we have to provide the annotation as invocable method and just provide the label and the description. Now, what we have to do in this method, we have to create a review record which can capture the contact, experience, and review and rating details. Okay, and we have to insert that record every time. Once the record gets saved, we have to show the successful message. Else, if there is an error, we have to get that exception and show an error message. Okay. Let's see the code. So in this method, what we have done, we have kept a list, empty list of responses and the review records that we have to insert. So we'll just loop on the requests that are coming in this method and store the data. So here we have to create a new guest review record. We'll just store these fields which were given here: contact, experience, command, comments, rating. Okay, these four fields. Add this data to this list and provide a success message. And if there is an error, we will provide an error message. Once the response message is assigned, we will store that message in the responses list. Okay. Here we'll check if this list is not empty, we'll insert the records. Otherwise, if there is any error, we'll provide the response as error. Okay. We have to return the responses. This is the code. I will put this code in the comments so you can refer this code. Now we'll just save or just check the challenge. Or save. Let's see. Okay, it was completed. Thank you.